Hey guys, what's up? It's Nelia. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to show you guys really quick how I film my YouTube videos. I'm really simple when it comes to filming. You're not gonna see a whole bunch of fanciness. I have these two lamps right here. These are umbrella lights actually. I don't have the umbrellas on them today because I wanted to see how it looks without them. But that's what I have, these two umbrella lamps. And then back here I have the back lit up with this mini umbrella lamp. They came in all together in a set. The backlight just kind of like gives that halo effect that people like, as you can see. This is just a quick setup that I did because honestly, I could do better, but this is for right now. When I'm right here, I can block everything in the back. So yeah, this is the main guy right here. This is Mr. Newer ring lamp. Ooh, it's a little dark, sorry. But I did a review on him earlier on my channel. I'll link it below and up above. But this is the main guy. Like sometimes I don't even set these up and I just have this because I'm super lazy. But this is the main dealio. As you can see here, you could put your camera, phone, whatever you want right in the middle. So it doubles as a tripod and as a ring light. I have this DIY reflector that I made from the dollar store with just some aluminum foil, and it kind of just reflects the light up. Hey guys, reflects the light up so it hits my face, and my mirror right here that I can talk to myself, see myself. Here's an iPad. I don't always use this, but it connects to my camera and I can see myself talking. Let me try to set that up real quick to show you guys what exactly I'm talking about. All right, so as you can see, I can see myself right here on my iPad, so I can see myself filming, and it records everything the camera sees, so it's pretty nifty. I have a Sony camera. This is the Sony 8500. It's also my vlogging camera. I do have a Canon T5i Rebel, like the older kind, but I usually use my Sony because it's just quicker to set up and it goes with this app, so it's pretty nifty. I usually edit on iMovie and I make my thumbnails with PicMonkey. If you guys want a separate tutorial, like a separate video for that, just let me know down below. And yeah, that's really my simple DIY studio YouTube setup. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it was helpful. If you have any other questions down below that I didn't answer, just let me know and I'll answer them for you. Give me a like if you guys like this video, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.